Morning, guys. I hope you're having a good weekend. I just want to show you this quick video on how to record your PowerPoint, and this will help you for your energy system example. What I would do first, though, is you need to go into slideshow. So at the top here, along the taskbar, I've got slideshow, and you could go, and then you would go into record slideshow. All right. Now, when you're doing this, you obviously have to hit record up the top, and as you go, as you speak, you'll be talking, going through the slideshow, talking about each slide, and then when it came to the end, like this, you would stop. Okay, so you made your video. Yep. And then if you want to, you would then have this recorded PowerPoint. Now, if you want to turn that into MP4, which means the video format, you would go up to File, and you go down to on the slide here, and it should be the same for Mac as it is for Windows. As you go into Export, and you would go Create Video, okay? And what it would do, it would create the video, um, your PowerPoint into a video, so then you could embed it into your own OneNote, and you collect them as you go until we get to that final week, and you need to make your final video, and I'll show you how to put them all together. But anyway, when you're creating a video, you don't need it in 4K, you don't need it in full HD. 720 or 480 would be fine. I'm not worried about the quality of the video. Remember, it's about the content is the important thing, not the quality of video. I couldn't care less. As long as you've got videos in that PowerPoint and you're explaining exactly what's happening, this is what we're doing. We're not testing video knowledge, we're testing content knowledge. And actually, application of knowledge to the sport that you've chosen. And what you do is you would click on, say, full HD. No, you wouldn't. You could say standard 440, and don't worry about the user narrations. And then you would go create video, and it'll take a few minutes, and it'll create that video. The reason that we don't want it in 1080p is because that video is just too large, and the quality, you don't need that sort of quality. Any other questions? Don't hesitate to contact me. And have a good weekend. See you Tuesday. Cheers.